right, yeah, we just got here and I'll call you back after we've taken a look at it. Thanks. Welcome to another episode of Deconstructing the Home Show. It's time to analyze a deal. Just got a call about a new property, see if we like it. So good overall look, feeling the vibes. Obvious foundation issues, you can tell that right off the bat. But very classic craftsman style home. These windows don't look, no, they're pseudo original. They got little church signs, it's always a good thing. We're in Government Hill, right near the Pearl. You can actually see the Pearl straight down the road. So really nice proximity. This is exactly what I love in an urban home. Centrally located, not in historic district. They're fun to work in, they take longer. This is gonna be easier if it's not historic. Hello? We got some blood on the ceiling. It's not blood, it's probably mold, but it could be blood. We're gonna go with blood for today. More acoustic tile. Maybe they had a recording studio in here. See how these windows look. Yeah, so these are not, depending on when the house is built, you know, this house was actually built in 1930, so these probably are original windows. These are the newer style wood windows because the older ones did not have the tracks. They actually had the wood and the weights behind the walls. These don't have those, so these probably are original because this is a 30s house. Not bad, tons of shifting. Let's see it behind, let's see what's behind this wall. All right, yeah, shiplap, lots of shiplap, so it's got some structural integrity still to it. It doesn't feel that bad. Like some of these houses, you walk into them and I feel like I'm gonna fall through the floor. And I don't feel like I'm gonna fall through the floor yet, but we're not done. Not bad, not bad. All right, this is definitely an addition. You see the ceilings have gotten lower. Daylight through here, yeah, so you can see the exterior of the house right there. But I mean, this is not bad. I mean, this could definitely be a bathroom with the lower ceilings. I don't hate that. This could definitely be a laundry area. I don't hate that. This is extremely low ceilings back in here. And then they're high over here. So at least we can tell, because you can look inside and see that that's where the interior ceiling is. But obviously, you know, the roof, or the ridge line of the roof is considerably higher. I don't know, 3 feet higher actually at this part, a little bit lower in this corner, but you could definitely raise the ceiling in there so it wouldn't feel quite as claustrophobic and small if you didn't want to totally rebuild it, which, you know, this doesn't look horribly constructed as far as I'm concerned. The paint's obviously sanding, but see about the foundation, but this is horrible. Some cinder blocks. Piers falling over, probably lots of tetanus-filled nails over there. Those are always fun. I don't love this tree right next to your back door, but I don't think that puppy's coming down. I think it would take the house down. The tree came down. Oh my, oh, what's in here? Anyone in here? I come in peace. All right, nice big room though. Another addition. So we've probably got, I think we've seen 3 additions so far. Better view of the foundation. Look, the floor's just caving in. It's always nice. You can just see right into the house. All right, so so there's a concrete footer for a porch that they threw on there. So definitely needs a whole new foundation. That's a big house. That's a big foundation. It's probably 50 to 70 piers. So weird filling of siding. We got some of the original porches, some nice brick. Could do a nice walkway, nice driveway. Got a single gas meter. So this was obviously a duplex at one time. I noticed on the front, there's 2 electric meters. There's also place for 2 gas meters. Only one currently hooked up. Just like there's only one currently hooked up, the electric. Oh, and they did upgrade the panel. That's nice. So some electric work has been done. We have no idea how much needs to be torn out. Probably the vast majority of it. These steps are just sinking in. Probably need to run new wood steps over the whole thing. But you got a nice window there. Shove that up. Again, come in here. I like it. This will be a fun project. Some good square footage. We totally need to reconfigure the entire interior of this house. None of this works. You know, I don't even know if this main living area, I like these formal living areas, but this is very, you know, it's a ton of space. It's a huge room. This is probably 15 by 8. You've got almost, you know, 200 square feet in here in this long, completely unusable area. So you'd probably have to reconfigure all of this. change the door, create more of a living, open concept, can lights, etc. We gotta call him back, make him an offer. Hey. All right, we just got done looking at it. So, no, it's not a tear down. I think it's salvageable. But yeah, I mean, definitely a whole new foundation. Do you have any idea how much electrical work was done? The panel's new, but the inside's probably totally shot. Plumbing completely new, I would say. There's no AC, obviously. Totally needs to be reconfigured. Probably reinforce some structural walls. Roof is shot and looks pretty wobbly, so probably need to redo most of the decking as well. I mean, we can close it pretty fast, but we're gonna have to work on the price. Do you think I have some flexibility? Okay. Awesome, sweet. All right, well, let me talk to my team. We'll get you an offer sent over the next hour. Thanks, bye. Guys, good deals go fast. Seriously, if you want a deal, do not wait, do not pass go. Hopefully you have $200 to give them, but you gotta get them offers fast. I've had deals literally sell in less than an hour by not getting an offers, and I'm ticked because I didn't get to do it. Get an offer in. If you can't work in an option period, do that, even if it's short, 2-3 days. That at least gives you time. Get your architects, your contractors, some main support teams out here, an investor or two if you need to do that, to get a generalized scope of work. But get an offer in quickly so you don't miss out on good deals. We're gonna send them an offer. We'll see if we get this one. Stay tuned.